The benefits of NCCER classes are learning the beginnings of carpentry and any of the hand tools and all the certifications that come with that, learning how to do stairs, walls, ceilings, anything metal. My credentials helped me transition into the construction world by giving me a running start. I knew specific specs on how things were supposed to be built or how they're generally built, and you can go up from there.
In high school, I took some NCCER classes and I took welding. I did NCCER welding for a total of 3 years, and I was able to pass my stick and wire welding test, so I got my certification for both of those. You can learn how to weld, woodworking, carpentry classes. There's all kinds of stuff out there that you can learn. It's not gonna hurt to learn more, and then if that is the route you guys take, then you already got a little head start. You got your foot in the door.